Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study how to solve first degree equation. When we see first degree equation, we're expecting that the exponent of the variable is 1. Number 1. Solve the linear equation 4x plus 6 equals 5x plus 2. Our solution, we're going to transpose all the number with variables to the left side, and those constant number, meaning to say constant, those numbers without variable, we're going to place at the right side. When we transpose the term, it should be change the sign of the term. If it is positive, it should becomes negative. Okay, our solution 4x plus 6 equals 5x plus 2. We're going to transpose to the left side of the equation, the positive 5x, it becomes now negative 5x, equals to, then positive 6 transpose to the right side of the equation, it becomes now negative 6. Then the next, we're going to simplify. 4x minus 5x equals negative x. Then 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. Then negative x, we're going to divide it by negative 1 both sides of the equation. So negative x divided by negative 1 equals positive x. Then negative 4 divided by negative 1 equals positive 4. So therefore, the value of x is 4. Then we're going to check the value of x if it is correct, because in the equation, we should always check our answer. Okay, from the given equation, 4x plus 6 equals 5x plus 2. Then the value of x now is 4. We're going to substitute from x, 4 times 4 now, plus 6 equals 4 times 5 times 4 plus 2. Then 4 times 4 equals 16, plus 6 equals 4, 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 2. Then 16 plus 6 equals 22, and 20 plus 2 equals 22. So since both sides are 22 and 22, so the result of the equation is true. So our answer now is correct. Okay, next problem. Solve the equation, the quantity x plus 2, then the quantity x negative 4 equals the quantity x negative 5, then x plus 4. Our solution, we have to simplify, meaning to say we're going to remove the parentheses of each quantity. So by multiplying, so we have to multiply x times x equals x squared, x times 4 equals negative 4x, positive 2x equals positive 2x, then positive 2 times negative 4 equals negative 8. And that's for the left side of the equation. And we come now to the right side of the equation. You have to simplify again by multiplying. So we have now x times x equals x squared. X times 4 equals positive 4x. Negative 5x equals negative 5 times x equals negative 5x. And negative 5 times positive 4 equals negative 20. And after that, we're going to combine like terms. Okay, x squared, then 4x plus 2x, we have negative 2x, then you bring down negative 8 equals x squared, negative positive 4x, negative 5x equals negative x, then negative 20, bring down. Then the next, again, we are going to transpose all the variables to the left side and the constant to the right side. So x squared, copy, then the x squared from the right side of the equation transposed to the left side, it becomes now negative x squared. Then bring down negative 2x, then negative x transposed to the left side of the equation becomes positive x, equals, bring down negative 20, then the negative 8 transposed to the right side of the equation becomes now positive 8. And the next step is to simplify again. X squared minus x squared equals 0. Negative 2x plus x equals negative x. Then negative 20 plus 8 equals negative 20. Then since we have negative x, so we're going to divide it by negative 1 both sides of the equations. That's why negative x divided by negative 1 equals positive x. And negative 12 divided by negative 1 equals positive 12. And then the next we have to do is to check if the result is correct. So we're going to copy the original equation, quantity x plus 2, then times the quantity x negative 4 equals x negative 5 times the quantity x plus 4. Then we're going to substitute for the value of x. And since our value of x is 12, and x now becomes 12 plus 2, 12 negative 4, 12 negative 5, 12 positive 4. So combine like terms. 12 plus 2 equals 14, 12 minus 4 equals 8, 12 minus 5 equals 7, 12 plus 4 equals 16. 14 times 8 equals 112, and 7 times 16 is 112. Since the result is a true equation, so our answer is correct. Okay, next, number 3 problem. Solve the equation 8x minus 5 divided by 3 equals 4x negative 7 over 2. Our solutions, first we're going to copy the given 8x negative 5 over 3 equals 4x minus 7 over 2. And the second steps that we're going to do is to have a cross multiplication. 2 times 8x minus 5 and 3 times 4x negative 7. Then we're going to simplify. 2 times 8x equals 16x. Then 2 times negative 5 equals negative 10 equals 3 times 4x equals 12x. 3 times negative 7 equals negative 21. Then we're going to transpose the variable to the left side of the equation, and those constant to transpose to the right side of the equation. Okay, copy 16x. Then transpose positive 12x becomes now negative 12x equals negative 21, copy. Then transpose negative 10 to the right side of the equation becomes now positive 10. Then we're going to simplify. 16x minus 12x equals positive 4x equals negative 21 plus 10 equals negative 11. Then divided by 4 both sides, so we have 4x divided by 4 equals x, and negative 11 divided by 4 equals negative 11 over 4. Then we're going to check. Copy first the original equation, 8x minus 5 divided by 3 equals 4x minus 7 divided by 2. Then we're going to substitute. Since the value of x is negative 11 over 4, negative 5 divided by 3 equals 4, negative 11 over 4 minus 7 divided by 2. Then we're going to divide first. 8 divided by 4 equals 2 times negative 11 equals negative 22. Then minus 5 divided by 3 equals 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times negative 11 equals negative 11 minus 7 over 2. Negative 22 plus negative 5 equals negative 27 over 3 equals negative 11 plus negative 7 equals negative 18 over 2. Then 27 divided by 3, we have negative 9 equals negative 18 divided by 2 equals negative 9. Since the result of the equation is true equation, so therefore our answer is correct. Today we are going to study area of parallelogram. For example, number 1, given the base equals to 14 centimeter and the height is equals to 8 centimeter, and we're going to find what is the area. Solution, we will use the formula. The formula of parallelogram, area equals base times height. Then we have to substitute. The given base is 14 times the given height is 8, and we're going to find the product. 14 times 8 equals 112 square centimeter is the area. Okay, that's the answer for number 1. And number 2 is a problem. A playground in the shape of parallelogram has an area of 110 square meter. What is its base if the height is 55 meter? Solution, again, we will use the formula of parallelogram. area equals base times height. Then we have to substitute. The given area is 110 equals the base times the given height is, then we have to multiply it. B equals B times 55 equals 55B, and the area, which is 110, just only bring down or copy. And then since we're computing for the value of B, we have to eliminate the 55 by dividing both sides by 55. So 110 divided by 55 equals 2, and 55 divided by 55 is 1 times B equals B. So the height now, the base now is 2 meters. Okay, the third problem. The base of a parallelogram is 50 meters and the height is 25 meters. What is the area of a parallelogram? So, our solution, we have used the formula again of parallelogram. Area equals base times height, and we have to substitute. From the problem, the given base is 50 meters and for the height is 25 meters. And then we have to multiply 25 times 50. So the area now is 1,250 square meter. Okay, thank you.